If you want to search for more fonts than what you see over here in the drop-down list, then you can actually go around into more fonts. So to change the font, I'm going to select out the range where I want the font to be changed, just like this. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around over here onto the font drop-down menu. And over here you can see more font is an option. So once I click on this, what happens is that it takes me to the fonts menu, just like this. So I can go around and search for the font I want. Let's say, for example, you can filter out the font. Let's say, for example, you just want, something like Arabic font, just like this, or you want all scripts and so forth. So you can choose around the font you want. You can go around and just search for handwriting type of font right here, just like this. Then you can sort it out by popularity and so forth. So let's say I want to use this font called Aladdin right here. So I can simply select it, press OK, and that font is applied onto the sheet, as you can see right there. So you can go around over here and then you can see that in the recent font, you can see the custom font right there. You can go around into more font. If you know the name of the font, then you can type it there as well. So I'm just going to go around and let's say I want something like a Korean font right here, just like this one, and I'm going to press OK, and you can see that this is how it actually looks like. And that is how you can access more fonts from the font menu inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.